Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, solved Windows 10 temporary profile issue, we can't sign into your account. Press Windows and R keys. Type regedit. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand H key local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows NT. Click and expand current version. Click and expand profile list. Profile image path shows your username. Delete key ending with 1001. Rename key with ending 1001. Bach. Delete only. Bach. Close and exit registry editor. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.